Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at some Binance Launchpad coins. So we're going to look at 10 coins under 100 million market cap, right? Like for example, we can't be looking at, okay, Matic, there's something coming. But the point is, it will be smarter and wiser to look for coins that has potential for higher volatility, and only the smaller market cap coins, as in like 100 million, would have that potential. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna start with beta, followed by LINA, TKO, LOKA, VOXEL, BAR, Troy, ALPINE, LAZIO, and then we'll end it with Gifto and number 10. Let's get straight into it. Beta against USD. So beta, in my opinion, is about to reverse back up, right? So if you look over here, there is, it's a bit, again, it's noisy, right? It's quite noisy over here, but I would expect beta to be blasting off eventually towards 46 cents. You see this? It's a squeeze. We could be breaking out towards 46 cents. That's the expectation. However, there's still selling happening over here, so we might consolidate here a little bit longer first before breaking out and up. But we're already above the skinny pink line, so I wouldn't expect beta to come back under the skinny pink line. So as long as we're above it, we remain with a bullish bias for beta. Next would be LINA. So LINA against USDT. Here we are for LINA. Okay, LINA is also in some sort of a accumulation, in my opinion, right? I'm gonna just draw it from here. This is something like a ABCD. It's not really confirmed yet, but if you look carefully, this is a A, B, down C, up for a potentially a D and an E, and then pum, we break higher. Right, if and when it breaks, I suspect it could be summer, maybe end of summer, somewhere around there. But there's selling happening at the moment. So yeah, but anyway, if this is wave D, I would expect to see 5 waves up. And after that, hopefully, we get some sort of consolidation before heading towards our target over here at 6 cents for LINA. Still more upside, right? Beta has upside targets. LINA has upside targets. Tokocrypto, TKO. Let's look at it on the BDC pair first. TKO BDC. Anything for TKO BDC? We're knocking on the skinny pink line. Could be a break though. TKO against USDT. We are... Okay, we're already above the skinny pink line. But there's no clear high quality chart pattern for TKO. You can argue that falling channel of sorts, but yeah, nope, I wouldn't, I don't think there's anything much for us to work with for TKO. LOKA! League of Kingdoms. LOKA BDC. Still on a downwards trend. LOKA against USDT. Do we have any potential over here? Yeah, it's not that clear. You can argue that this is a valley. Sure. Maybe we get a cup and handle around here. We could get ascendings as well. So yeah, but we're above the skinny pink line. The hope is that we stay above the skinny pink line for LOKA. VOXEL. Let's look at the BDC pair. Any signs of life? Hey, we could be accumulating for a move higher. No guarantees though. We're knocking at the skinny pink line. But I don't see any bullish reversal, so I'd be careful about VOXEL BDC. Against USD, okay, you might see it a little clearer on the USD pair, right, for VOXEL. I would pull this holding down and assume that VOXEL is already out. But of course, it would be better if we have a flat type of a resistance, right? So let's say we take it from here, right? And yeah, we could be in an inverse head and shoulders. Do you see it? Left shoulder, head, maybe a right shoulder over here. So yeah, it could be a mini right shoulder. It could be a bigger right shoulder as well. So we're expecting it to head towards 65 cents for VOXEL. Of course, because it's a smaller market cap coin, VOXEL might see huge moves close to its high. Right, I suspect we'll probably go past 65 cents into $1, $2, and potentially even $3, taking out the clusters of stop buys over here around 290. Probably $3, but we'll take things one step at a time for VOXEL. There are a lot of potential breaks towards the upside, right? Beta Linear, Voxies, FC Barcelona, Barriers, DT. Anything for Barcelona? No. There was a potential here though when it was happening, right? So let's go back a lesson in history, right? If you were looking back in history and you saw this, right, you'd be like, hey, yo, bro, it's a squeeze, right? Oh my god, we could be breaking. We're right at the skipping line. We could be breaking. Yeah, bro, not everything goes according to plan. And so eventually, see what happened? We came down, right? No guarantees in trading though. And now we're down. Anything for us to work with? Nope. So what do? You move on. Troy against BDC. Let's look at Troy BDC first. Oh, looking pretty ugly. Against USD, here we are for Troy. We could be accumulating though. Again, I can't say for sure for Troy, right? This could be the squeeze that's coming on for a break for Troy, right? But it's a bit noisy over here, so I suspect even if it were to break out, we'll still consolidate a little bit longer over here. So maybe if and when we see that happen, then maybe this could be the inverse head and shoulders, right? But we're still a long way out. And if Troy does really go back to its highs, this could be 600% potentially. Again, we can't say for sure yet. We would love to take trades for Troy if there is a clear, high quality, tradable chart pattern. Alpine against USDT. Yo, bro. ALPINE. So here we are for Alpine. Anything for us to work with? No. Yeah, it's just like FC Barcelona, just slowly crawling its way up. Nothing for us to work with. LAZIO USDT. Anything? Okay, LAZIO might have something. Right, let's say we take it from here. LAZIO might have something, you see. That's a very big accumulation. Right, but it's behaving the same way as Barcelona and Alpine, right? Just slow crawl up. So normally if you see a rising channel, it tends to break lower eventually, right? So again, same thing. If you see a falling channel, it tends to break up. Rising channels tend to break down. So there is that possibility. So I would preach caution. I wouldn't be doing anything for the moment for Lazio. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to move on to Gifto. GFT against USDT. Oh, Gifto. Ta-da! I thought we had the target. Okay, I think Gifto is about to break higher. Right? And if you look very carefully, right, Gifto is in a squeeze. It's in a gigantic squeeze. Not gigantic, but this is definitely a squeeze. And this is very high quality. Right. Lower highs and higher lows. We're in the midst of completing a wave E. Very close to the end. And then there should be a breakout for Gifto. The target that we have is actually 8.4 cents. Ta-da! Aim a little higher. I thought it was 6. No, actually it's 8.4 cents. So there's more upside to come for Gifto. Right now we're only at 2 cents, so more upside for Gifto. Yeah, we're expecting this breakout to happen eventually. When? If I had to guess, by April? March, April? It could even happen this week. Okay, no, not this week. Probably not. But there's still significant selling. So we must hold this low. Most important is this low. We have to hold this low. Right, we cannot take out this low. And after that, yeah, we should be eventually breaking out for Gifto. Ta-da! So these are the coins. Ta-da-da-da! So there's Beta, Lina, VOXEL, and Gifto. These are the 4 coins with clear targets. And we expect a breakout. So yeah, there you go. And if you have not checked it out yet, you should check out yesterday's CATS tokens. We were looking at CATS. So yeah, it's here. It's here. Check it out if you haven't yet. See you. Have a great day. Ta-da!